Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Thenix from the 2023 Wave 11. We have Kyle Busch's number 8 Netspend next gen car. On the back you can get Michael McDowell's FR8 car, Ross Chastain's 2023 Moose car, Denny Hamlin's Yahoo car, Joey Logano's Pennzoil car, and you can get trucks like the Wendell Scott throwback truck, Joey Gase, and Grant Enfinger. Alright, I'm gonna get this car out of the box and I'll be back to show you the car. Okay. So now that I got the car out of the box, here is Kyle Busch's Netspend next gen car. So Netspend is basically an online, maybe as a way to check your money, because I know what network spend money has to do with it. But one thing I do like about the car is obviously the bluish color, and the orange. I think both those colors go well together, especially because the logo is light orange and then dark orange, and with the Netspend being in that blue. One thing is, of course, the 8. Obviously, when Kyle Busch joined Richard Childress Racing, the 8 font was switched around or made modifications to the 8 font. Obviously, with the orange outline with some silver and a white 8. And on the back of the car, you got the same logo, but it's just mostly white and with this bluish color. I have no idea what this blue is, but it does look pretty nice. Also, the hood is also in that same color, and with the white Netspend hood. But overall, I do like the colors, and I do like how the colors go well with each other. And I think this will conclude today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.